दोस्तों अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते। थार्स में खुश आमदीद। दोस्तों आज हम सीखेंगे जीके टिडबिट्स, जो कि वर्ल्ड टाइम मैगज़ीन जो मंथली आता है उसमें 100 जीके जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। जो डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स हैं या डिफरेंट जो जनरल टेस्ट्स हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो आज हम जो है वो 100 important questions of GK tidbits of world time January 2024 कह सकते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, established by the International Sugar Agreement of 1968, International Sugar Organization is headquartered in London. Question number 2, the largest moon in the solar system is Ganymede. Question number 3, the United Nations General Assembly approved the Universal Declaration of Human Rights at a meeting in Paris. Question number 4, the war that is also called the Fourth Arab-Israeli War is, उसका नाम है the Yom Kippur War. Fifth question, the Houthis are locked in a civil war with the government of Yemen. Sixth question, Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. Seventh question, Maldives got independence in 1965 from Great Britain. Eighth question, the current governor of the State Bank of Pakistan is Jamil Ahmad. Ninth question, dialogue concerning the two chief world systems was written by Galileo Galilei. 10th question, the European football team that is colloquially known as Les Blues is France. 11th question, ASEAN, a regional intergovernmental organization comprising 10 Southeast Asian countries was established in 1967. 12th question, ASEAN plus 3 includes ASEAN members China, Japan and South Korea. 13th question, established in 1972, the United Nations Environment Program UNEP is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. Question number 14, China-Myanmar Economic Corridor (CMEC) was officially launched in, so it is like CPEC. China-Myanmar Economic Corridor (CMEC) was officially launched in 2018. 15th question, the industry giant IBM, the International Business Machine Corporation, was established in 1911. Question number 16, Alan Turing introduced the Turing machine in 1936. 17 question, Apple Computers was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. 18 question, in 1975 Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. 19 question, the World Wide Web was commercialized in 1991. 20 question, the founder of the Pakistan Air Quality Initiative PAQI is Abid Umar. 21st question, Helsinki is the capital of Finland. 22 question, the height of the Tokyo Skytree is 634 meters. 23 question, World Diabetes Day is observed every year on November 14. Question number 24, Sir Frederick Banting discovered insulin along with Charles Best in 1922. Question number 25, diabetes mellitus is a disorder of carbohydrate metabolism. Question number 26, Napoleon began his Egyptian campaign in in 1798. Question number 27. Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee on Plastic Pollution (INC3) was held in Nairobi, Kenya. Question number 28. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC), headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Question number 29. The United Nations first set out in 2K15 the target of ending AIDS as a public health threat by 2030. Question number 30. The Court of Justice of the European Union is based in Luxembourg. Question number 31. David Ben Gurion is the founding father of Israel. Question number 32. The Gulf of Aqaba has a coastline shared by 4 countries. What are the 4 countries? Egypt, Israel, Jordan and Saudi Arabia. Question number 33. The Suez Canal is a man-made waterway that opened in 1869. So dears and dears, the Suez Canal is a man-made waterway. It is not natural. Question number 34. The Suez Canal separates the African continent from Asia. Question number 35. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is technically the longest mountain range in the world but on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean, separates the European tectonic plate from North American tectonic plate. 36th question. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and his trusted colleagues founded Pakistan People's Party on November 30, 1967. Question number 37. Pakistan People's Party was founded at the residence of Dr. Mubashir Hassan. Question number 38. Magna Carta was issued in June 1215. Question number 39. Henry Kissinger served as Secretary of State and National Security Advisor under Presidents Richard Nixon and President Gerald Ford. Question number 40. The Gurdwara Panja Sahib is located in Hassan Abdal. Question number 41. PNS Tuggerel, the Chinese built Type 054A P frigate, was inducted into the Pakistan Navy in January 2K22. Question number 42. The 18th Amendment, a landmark piece of legislation in Pakistan's political history, was enacted in April 2010. Question number 43. Pakistan's ambassador and permanent representative to the OPCW is Suljik Mustansar Thar. Question number 44. Early Travels in India was written by William Foster. Question number 45. Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo, which ended on June 18, 1815. Question number 46. Vietnam achieved independence in 1945 from France. Question number 47. Medicine Sans Frontiers, an international independent medical humanitarian organization, is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 48. The river of which Maru Sadar is the right bank tributary in Chenab. Question number 49. The International Day of Persons with Disabilities is observed annually on December 3. Question number 50. International Animal Rights Day is celebrated on December 10. Question number 51. Eaja Fijalojokul volcano is located in Iceland. Number 52. The Euclid mission was launched by the European Space Agency ESA in July 2K23. Question number 53. Mogadishu is the capital and largest city of Somalia. Question number 54. Babri Masjid is located in the Indian town of Ayodhya. Question number 55. Giorgia Meloni is the Prime Minister of Italy. Question number 56. United Nations Climate Change Executive Secretary is Simon Style. Question number 57. ADNOC, ADNOC is the national oil company of UAE, United Arab Emirates. Question number 58. The Muslim Family Laws Ordinance was promulgated in 1961. Question number 59. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Question number 60. The plant which is known as the calf's flower due to its foul smell is Titon arum. Question number 61. The process by which plants make their own food using sunlight is called photosynthesis, through which plants make their own food using sunlight. Question number 62. The Atak Refinery Limited ARL is located in Rawalpindi. Question number 63. Pakistan won their sole Junior World Cup hockey in 1979. Question number 64. Pakistan won their first hockey World Cup in 1971. Number 65. The French king who announced that I am the state was Louis XIV. Question number 66. The poet who is known as the prisoner poet of Lahore was Masood ibn Saad. Question number 67. The largest tree in the world by volume is redwood. Bristlecone pine is the world's oldest living species of tree. Question number 69. The process by which plants lose water through small openings in their leaves is called transpiration. So transpiration is the process by which plants lose water through small openings in their leaves. Question number 70. The Warsaw Pact was signed on 14th May 1955. Question number 71. The North Atlantic Treaty is also known as the Washington Treaty. The North Atlantic Treaty is also known as the Washington Treaty. Question number 72. Pakistan's first traffic theme park was established in Gujranwala. Question number 73. International Mountain Day is celebrated annually on December 11. Question number 74. Allama Iqbal's great poem Pyame Mashrak, A Message from the East, was first published in 1923. Question number 75. Generalissimo Chiang Kai-shek proclaimed martial law for all China on December 10, 1948. Question number 76. Gautama Buddha's attainment of nirvana, enlightenment, is commemorated as Bodhi Day. Question number 77. The city that donates a Christmas tree from its snowy forest to London every year is Oslo. So Oslo is the city that donates a Christmas tree from its snowy forest to London every year. Question number 78. The Folketing is the unicameral national legislature of Denmark. Question number 79. The Marrakesh Treaty to help the visually impaired or otherwise pen disabled people have access to books and literary works in accessible formats was signed in Morocco on June 27, 2013. Question number 80. Ayub Teaching Hospital is located in Abbottabad. Question number 81. The country that has become the world's top producer of opium, overtaking Afghanistan in 2023 is Myanmar. So now it is Myanmar that has become the world's top producer of opium. Question number 82. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Question number 83. In terms of global opium trade, the regions known as the Golden Triangle include Myanmar, Laos, and Thailand. Question number 84. The first World Environment Day was held in 1974. Question number 85. The first major conference on environmental issues under the United Nations was held in Stockholm, Sweden in 1972. Question number 86. The founder of private security firm The Blackwater is Eric Prince. Question number 87. Eric Prince is the brother of the former US Education Secretary Betsy DeVos. Question number 88. The incumbent Director General of the Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority PCAA is Question number 89. Every year the United Nations celebrates 5th December as World Soil Day. Question number 90. The KV is a flightless bird endemic to New Zealand. Question number 91. Bronchi or trencha are tubes that convey air to lungs. Bronchi or trencha are tubes that convey air to lungs. Question number 92. The number of Plasmodium parasite species that cause malaria in humans is 5. Question number 93. A prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle is called drought. Question number 94. The first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 95. The world first country to legalize same-sex marriage was, the world first country to legalize same-sex marriage was the Netherlands. When? In 2001. In 2001, the Netherlands is the country that was first to legalize same-sex marriage. Question number 96. Piezoelectricity was discovered by Pierre and Paul Jacques-Curie in 1880. Question number 97. The first South Asian country to register same-sex marriage is Nepal. Question number 98. International Civil Aviation Day (ICAD) is celebrated annually on December 7. Question number 99. The Cold War was a period of geopolitical tension lasting from 1945 to 1991. Question number 100. The last question. The North Atlantic Treaty established NATO on 4th April 1949. So dear seniors, these are the 100 questions of GK Tidbits published in World Magazine